How to change Snapchat username without waiting for 1 year. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. First and foremost, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top of your screen and then tap on the settings icon. From this list, go ahead and tap on I need help option under support. Now once you are here, go ahead and tap on the three line icon at the top. Now tap on contact us. From here, tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature option. Now scroll down and from here, go ahead and tap on the settings option. Now choose other. Now wait for a while. Now scroll down and there you'll find a form. Go ahead and add your username, your Gmail, and add a description about your problem. Let me go ahead and speed this process for you real quick. Now in this description box, you can go ahead and write about your problem here. You can see you would like to change your username. And once you do that, tap on submit and you have to pass this safety test. And that was the last process. And you will be able to hear from the Snapchat team pretty soon with a solution to your problem. Hopefully this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.